students, today we'll start with our fourth chapter, that is the refraction of light at plane surface. So to understand the definition of refraction, first of all we will do the types of medium. So there are two types of medium, one is the rarer medium, other one is the denser. So rarer medium is that in which the light travels very fast. Denser is that in which the light travels very slowly. So there are three types of medium we will discuss in the refraction of light, that is the air, water and glass. Air is the rarest medium, that means the light has the maximum speed in the air. Then water become denser and glass become more denser. So we can also compare in this way that glass is more denser than water and water is more denser than air. Or we can also compare in opposite direction, air is rarer than water and water is rarer than glass. So these are the three medium we will discuss in this refraction of light. So next comes the definition of refraction. So what is refraction? That when the light move from one medium to another, it always changes its path, its direction changes. So that is known as the refraction of light. So there are three cases for the refraction of light. First case is that when the light move from rarer to denser. For example, we are taking from air to glass. Let this be the incident ray. Incident means falling ray. So this is falling on a media of separation. So this media is separating the two media, that is the medium 1 and medium 2. So when this incident ray will fall over here, so we are saying this refracted ray turns towards the normal. So this is the normal. Normal is a line at 90 degree we draw at the point of incidence. So this refracted ray always turn towards the normal. So this is the first case, that when the light move from air to glass, or we can say from rarer to denser, it always turns towards the normal. Second case, when the light is moving from denser to rarer, that is from glass to air, it always move away from the normal. So that means we can say it turns away from its original path. So this was its original path, so it turns away from the original path. So this is the angle of incidence, that is the angle between incident ray and normal. This is the angle of refraction, that means the angle between the normal and refracted ray. Now the third case is that when the light falls at 90 degree on a point of separation, point of incidence. So when the light falls at 90 degree, it always moves straight. It does not change its path. So it is very important case when the light does not change its path, that is when it falls at 90 degree. So next we have the cause of refraction. So what are these? What is the cause of refraction? So cause of refraction is that when the light move from one medium to another, its speed changes. So due to the change in speed, its direction also changes. So speed changes, also direction changes. So next is the laws of refraction. There are two laws of refraction. First law is that incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lie in the same plane. And second law is that the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction, that is equal to refractive. This constant is known as the refractive index. So it is equal to refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. We are writing 1 firstly and then 2 after that. But when we speak, what we will say, this is the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1.